How to fix Doordash background check issues. I'm going to tell you how to resolve problems if your Doordash background check is stuck or delayed. First, expect it to take 5 to 10 business days. Delays happen if you've lived in multiple areas, have a complex driving record, or during holidays. You can track progress through the Checker candidate portal. If it says complete in a few days, Doordash may still be processing, so give it a couple more days. If it's been over 2 weeks or status is considered or frozen, reach out. Check your email, then contact Doordash support or call Checker directly to request an update. A polite follow-up helped some dashers get approved within a day. If there are errors like missing license info or outdated records, use Checker's dispute process with documentation or ask Doordash support to escalate it. In rare cases, people have had to choose and reopen their accounts if the system never rerun the check. Bottom line, be patient, verify your info, monitor the portal, and proactive contact support if things stall.